This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable bowls, specifically these Kova salad bowls. They have a lovely crystal clear plastic, which you can see. It's high quality plastic, it's nice, it's recyclable, which is always a plus. And the 16-ounce size is great for things like salads, fruit bowls, smoothie bowls, poke, entrees, and a variety of other options. The uses are almost endless. It has a lovely, sleek, geometric design. You can see it kind of flares at the top and kind of tapers down to the bottom, and it's got a nice, flat, sturdy base on it. And there are matching lids that are available separately that you can see give a nice tight fit on there. The lids also have a bit of a dome to them, meaning it gives them a little increased height for any extra ingredients, say maybe some protein or some lovely berries that you want to put on top of something like a smoothie bowl or a salad. Right? They're a great option for caterers looking to pre-prep some to-go meals. And you can see we have a lovely area on top here, perfect spot for either a flavor label or even some branding. So these are a nice option if you're looking for something that's really going to show off the ingredients that are inside, really maybe show off some like vibrant different components to salads or something like a layered bowl or dessert. And they've got those great lids on top of them, which are nice and secure. So this is going to make these a great option for things like salad or smoothie bars, small cafes, bakeries, or bistros that are looking for a stylish disposable option, either for takeout, grab and go items, or maybe for you doing some catering. These also make a lovely disposable option if you're looking to do some events or parties at home and you're looking for a way to present things in a lovely, stylish, and classy way for your guests while also not having to do a lot of cleanup afterwards, making them a great option for disposable salad bowls for use at home or in a professional setting.